Hey there, everyone. This is Mike from Rentometer, and welcome to Rentometer's Daily Deal. Recently, we've been demoing our newly released multifamily deal worksheet. And today, I'd like to address an interesting scenario that can come up and show you how to handle it using the multifamily deal worksheet. So here's a property we've been looking at in Aurora, Colorado. It's a fiveplex. There's four one-bedroom, one baths, and one bedroom. I'm sorry, two bedrooms, one bath. So here's an interesting scenario. Let's say you've done some due diligence and you learn that two of the one bedroom units have been renovated and two of them still need to be renovated. So let me show you how to handle this scenario. We go back to the deal worksheet, the multifamily deal worksheet. We have the address there and the price of the property is $650,000. So the first thing we do is we're going to enter the 2-1, and so there's a two bedroom, one bath, and there's one of them. So now instead of adding all the one bedrooms on one line, we're going to create two separate lines. We're going to create a one bedroom, one bath, and we're going to say upgraded. So these are the renovated units, and so one bed, one bath and there's two of those. And now we'll add a third line, which is the 1-1 again, 1.1. And we're going to say needs improvement. We call this one needs improvement. And we'll add one bedroom, one bath. So these are effectively the same units, but they're in different they're in different condition. And so we want them on separate lines so we can treat the rent for each one differently. So the next step is to calculate the GPR. So we're going to confirm that. So using the standard averages, the gross potential rent comes out at 5880. Now we know the upgraded units will rent for more, so we're going to use the um, 75th percentile for those, which is $1,222. And then for the units that need work, we're going to use the 25th percentile. So now we have a better handle on the gross potential rent and a tighter view of it. So now we'll run the investment analysis. So here's the investment analysis in the deal worksheet. So as I've done previously, I'm going to update the interest rate to 6.7. I'm going to set the property taxes at 282. So now my preliminary cash on cash comes in at 3.6%. Now I'm going to enter a 15% discount to see if I can get it improve on um, that cash on cash return. Let me update it to 20%. So 20% gets me to 11.3%. So this is your starting point. You can adjust the key variables. As you do your due diligence and you learn more about the property, you can update the rent, the improvements, the financing, and of course the negotiated price. As you update the numbers, your analysis stays up to date. The multifamily deal worksheet is included with Rentometer Pro. If you don't have a Pro subscription yet, go to rentometer.com, deal worksheet to learn how to sign up. That's today's daily deal. See you tomorrow. Thank you.